Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about JavaScript arithmetic operators. So to do this, I'm going to create a new JavaScript file. So I will say arithmetic.js. What are arithmetic operator? Here plus, minus, into, division, modulus, increment, decrement. Okay. So these are arithmetic operators. So now let's start one by one. So first of all, I need to declare a variable. Let's say I want to say number. Okay, first number. Let's say I want to say 21. If so, now let's say I want to set another variable, and that is, let's say, number 2 is equal to 22. So now let's say I want to do additions. I will say console dot log. I want to say here actually I want to set here one more variable, that is for the results. I will say result. I'll say number 1 plus number 2, and I want to show the result here. Copy, paste, and here you can see what is the problem. Okay, so home.html, we have to mention this JavaScript file. So that is arithmetic.js, right? Now it's showing actually here 43, right? Okay, so console.log, when I fetch the print the result, here you can see 43, right? 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4. Okay, 43. Now let's go for the another arithmetic operator, and that is negative sign for the minus. And here you can see the minus value, because the first one is 21, the second one is 22. It's bigger than the first one, right? So it's showing us -1. Here if I say 25, here you can see 3. All right, so now let's go for the multiplication. So let's use this sign. The result is 550, right? If I go for the division, let's say this is 10 and this is 5. All right, so we'll now divide 10 by 5. So I will say division sign, and here you can see the result will be 2. All right, and let's go for the modulus. So here the modulus value will be 0, because we haven't actually when I say 5 into 2 is 10, so 10 minus 10 equal to 0, so the result will be 0, right? Okay, now let's say I want to say here 4, and the next value is let's say result is equal to number plus plus. If I say like this, here you can see the value will be okay, let me just say it here. Say here number plus plus, and here I'm going to show the number, and now we will find number is 5. Why? Because now 4 here the value will be 5. All right, because it will actually increment by 1. Plus plus means it will actually increment by 1. Okay, and we can actually do this in different way, and number value will be 3. Here you can see 3, number value will be 3, right? All right, and now let's go for the square value. Let's say I have 4 here. If I say number I want to find the square value of 4, so if I say it like this, here you can see 4 square is equal to 16, right? These are actually called arithmetic operators. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.